I'm here with Midwest Color Guard, and today we're going to talk about the Flourish. The Flourish is a 4-count move, and we'll start with our posture. Our feet are going to start in a closed first position, and we're going to stand in an upright position, shoulders stacked over our hips, hips stacked over our ankles, and we'll start at right shoulder. The right hand is on the tab, the left hand is wrapping around the butt of the flag. From here, we're going to let go with our left hand, and we're going to sweep across our toes to the right, and the silk comes down, and it's straight up and down. This is count 1. Count 2, we're going to allow the silk to continue rotating to the right, up to count 2. Here we want our shoulders to remain parallel to the ground, and we want our right arm is going to be straight up and down. The flag is an extension of our arm. This is count 2. Count 3 is going to continue in that same direction behind our head. Here, all we're doing is allowing the wrist to move. This is count 3. From here, the pole is going to continue coming around, and this time it's going to come in front of you, and we're going to catch at count 4. So the counts look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. In a fluid motion, it's going to look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, catch 4. If we wanted to do 8 counts, we will refrain from catching at 4. The left hand remains at our side, and it'll look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, catch 8.